Hey guys, this is Alex McGregor with ChasingLuminance.com, and today's video is all about a present that I bought for my wife. Even though, yeah, we all know it's kind of a present for me too. She wanted a little camera that had a good zoom and a nice image sensor and something that would be a lot better than her phone for an upcoming trip that we're planning. So after a bunch of research, we decided to get her the Sony RX100 VII. This is an awesome little camera and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to record an unboxing video where I share my initial impressions and first thoughts, but I just showed you it's out of the box already. So you know that, my video's ruined. Oh well. Okay, let's see what we got. It still is so cool having a real mailbox. Growing up in the mountains, you get so used to going to the post office. It drives me nuts. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, first thing, some poppy foam stuff. Bubble. We hope you're completely satisfied with your purchase. I hope so too. We got ourselves a new toy. Okay, so now we did get this from Portable Guy. It was an open box deal through Amazon, so the box has a little bit of damage. Not worried about that at all. Charging cord, probably for the adapter. Stringy thingy for your wrist. We'll put that on now. Yeah, charger, adapter, micro USB cable. Is there a camera in here even? We have a battery. One tiny, sad little battery. And I have no idea what these are. They're little things in a bag on my manual focus lens. Nicely wrapped up little camera. Good job, Portable Guy. First impressions. It is so small. It is so small compared. So I think that's exactly what she was hoping for. This is a full frame camera with one lens, and this camera is like smaller than the lens. Okay, getting excited now. I'm assuming this battery won't have any charge, but I got 3 batteries already pre-charged off of Amazon. So we're gonna fire this little fella up and I'll let you guys know my initial impressions. I also picked up the SanDisk Extreme Pro memory card, 64 gig. Laura always yells at me for opening packages in a way that you can't return them. And I always am optimistic. I never need to return anything. Ha ha ha. And I've done some research, so I think just to turn it on, you flip open this little viewfinder. Let's see. So it's opening into this little menu. First thing I'm choosing is the language. I'm hitting English. Oh, we have a camera. Okay. So it comes on program mode. Let's see. Do I see anything? Oh my goodness, there's an electronic viewfinder. It's tiny and awkward, but I can see you through it. Okay, so our zoom is here. Now what mode am I on? If I spin this, so I'm shooting at f2.8, auto ISO, that works. I'm gonna zoom in and take a picture of you guys. And then, can I move my... Oh, this is gonna take some getting used to. So if I go to function, single shot AF, focus area, wide, zone, center, flexible spot, expand flexible spot. I'm going flexible spot focusing. So now I can move this little box around, and when I spin the back dial, it seems to get bigger and smaller. Oh wow, that is some art right there. First impressions, it is compact, which is a good thing. It's light, but not in a fake plasticky way. Like this lens, you can tell is, oh yeah, this does something. Spinning this does something other than just flip you guys off. It feels like a solid little camera. And I think it's exactly what she wanted. So I'm gonna turn the video off now, get the real battery charged up, and get into the menu system and really play with this. And I'm probably gonna take it on a walkie-talkie vloggy going down to the city market to get dinner. But yeah, so far, very excited. Okay. I just want to keep playing with it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I've had a few minutes to play with this little thing, and it's perfect for my wife, which is exactly why we got it. It is so compact, it is so small that it almost is like hurts my hands to work it, but I mean, it's pocket sized. It's definitely purse sized, and it's super quick to turn it on. It's on program mode. I just took 3 pictures in the burst mode. I should probably fix that. But it's just a perfect little point and shoot camera. The menu system is already annoying, but I think that's just a Sony thing that you get used to. One cool thing, which reminds me of the Canon RF line of lenses, is a little dial ring. Right now I have it set to control the aperture. I don't know if you can see that on there, but I'm at 2.8. Spin this little ring. You go up to, oh, it won't let me go any higher. There's some auto settings in there preventing it. But it's easy to switch the modes. Now I can jump right to aperture priority and open it all the way up. f2.8, 125th, 800 ISO. Take a picture, or like 4. And the zoom on it is pretty cool. Okay, I'll take a picture of an elk antler. All the way zoomed in, and then one all the way zoomed out. It's just really intuitive, it's easy. Another cool thing, I got the little selfie screen. So I got that selfie screen and that selfie screen. It's almost too much to handle. Yeah, I'm excited. This is a great little camera. And the 24mm focal length is okay, but I can stick it out on my little extendo stick here, which, yeah, I'm gonna do. I'm pausing you. Extendo stick time. Okay, now we're recording auto on there, and auto, all aperture priority f2.8 on there. Which looks better? I guess I can go side by side and put you in front there. We will see though. We will see. Something happened last time. I'm not really sure what, but I wasn't able to review any of the videos on my computer. Like, they didn't even show that they were on the card, so I don't know what happened with that, but I formatted the card and we're trying again. I'm just playing with the auto exposure. I have it on something, F something, I think 2.8. Now if I spin this, what'll that, oh. That is so cool. So I can spin this front little dial on the camera, and it actually can change a bunch of different settings. Right now it's set to change the auto exposure. No, right now it's set to change the aperture. Okay, now I'm just walking into a darker part of my universe, into the kitchen, and it is auto exposing like a dream. I don't know what we're at, but it's following me perfectly. Now what'll it do if I do this? Yeah, so it's exposing for kind of the whole scene and not just a spot, but it's doing a really good job so far. I'm interested to see if it can keep me in focus with the walking around. What if I do weird stuff like this? Did you focus on me? And like this? How long does that take to focus? Glad I can give you guys a little extra. Yeah, it does not like the backlit. I'm sure that's just a setting that I will figure out. It likes this much more. Okay. This is fun so far. For reference, this is how it sounds with just the camera's microphone, and those last clips were all shot with my Techstar shotgun microphone. Let's see if it'll focus on it. Focus on the Techstar. Yeah, kinda. I turned on the touch to track setting, and yeah, now I can see it's following my eye. So is this way better? I was having focusing issues before, but now it seems like it's following me. Is it gonna freak out there? No, it looks like it's right on my eye still. So I'm going to, again, walk away from the light, see how it does. Gonna walk into my deep, dark kitchen. Just seeing how loud I need to talk. The microphone is like 2 of these away, however far that is. Okay, looks like it's still tracking the eye. I can rule the thirds. Does it track me? Oh, it tracks me all the way to the corner. Okay, now again, what is gonna happen when I do this? Yeah, still doing that metering, like evaluative metering or whatever. I can probably figure that out though. Okay, so is the tracking way better? Now if I do weird stuff, I'm gonna focus on my pimples and back to find the face. Well, it looks like this might just work out. Huh, this is a fun little camera. If you've made it this far through the video, thank you, and I'm sorry. It's just way too much fun playing with these toys. I promise my next video will be something about stars. There's a new moon coming up, so lots of opportunities to get out and shoot. If you enjoyed this video, you could subscribe, or you could wait for my next good video about astrophotography and subscribe then. There's affiliate links down below for Amazon if you're interested in buying the Sony camera or any of the ones I usually use for astro. And as always, when the stars come out, I'll see you out there.